If you want to duplicate hair, you want to add hair one hair at a time. That's one step of duplicating hair growth. There's another point too. What is the direction of the hairs come out of your head? The hairs come out of your head actually in all different sporadic directions. So, if you want to duplicate hair growth, you want to add one hair at a time, and you want to add hair coming in all different directions. That was the purpose of taking the microstrand, this here. Remember, the microstrand is an invention of a filament as fine as one human hair, as soft as one human hair. That was the invention that made it so unique. But then, what do I do with this filament, this thread? I chose to network it together, forming like a diamond web. The purpose of making it like a diamond web was so when you add one hair at a time onto this, now the hairs are going in all different sporadic directions, all right? So the combination to duplicate natural hair growth is twofold. Add one hair at a time, which we do, and number two, add one hair at a time in all different directions, because that's how it grows out of your head. One hair at a time, all different directions. So by putting one hair at a time on the microstrand, and because it's made into sort of a diamond web, the hair is going in all different directions. When it blends in, it technically duplicates natural hair growth. Hope that makes sense to you, and I hope that was very helpful.